Okay, go. Okay. So here is a quick oral examination. Okay, this is we see if it's and it's a test, but this is where they get to show off. Notice how there's a big difference between big pressure of a test, it's just showing off, see what they know.
I'm using a compass.
So here's what I want you to do. Here's the super beginning, easy part of the test. Count to 9, please. Fast. By ones. See, that's an excellent question. He's 4.
5, 3, 6, 9.
Oh, counting by ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, that's easy. Now count by twos.
2,
Okay,
4,
wait, just him.
8, 10.
Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As much as you need to know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? Okay, you. Can you say it?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Alright. How about you? What is 7 plus 3?
7 plus 3. It's 10. No.
Very good. Okay. You, little boy. What is 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2?
Mm-hmm. Yes, just say it.
Oh, so that's how?
Yeah, that's easy, right? Okay, see the simple ones? Okay, but now, what is 3 plus 3?
3 plus 3?
2 threes.
I don't know.
You don't know?
6.
Okay, that's good. No, see, and this is the thing. We need more adults that can just do that. I don't know. That's a fine answer. Right? Instead of coming up with these crazy theories.
Yeah.
They don't know what's going on, they can make up a theory about it and then, right? Which is completely different than a hypothesis. Where they can test it. Okay, so, I don't know is a fine answer. It lets us know that we need to do more work on that. Okay, so what is, here's a good one. Algebra. What is x plus 2 times x plus 3? Think about it in your head, and look at the camera. X plus 2 times x plus 3. There. See where his eyes go? His eyes go to make it up, not to remember. He's visualizing. This is why I just watched the video. It was interesting. It says, "Oh, visual thinkers aren't good at algebra." It's completely ridiculous. But anyway, all right. You know? Can you see it?
X plus 2.
Okay.
Going across?
Yes, doesn't matter. X plus 2, x plus 3. And it's multiplication, right? X plus 2 times x plus 3.
It's 8.
It's 8? That's the whole answer? 8?
Look.
Look. X plus 2.
Plus 2.
X plus 3. What's going to fit in the corner, by the way?
6.
And how many is 6?
3.
2 threes. See? Alright. Now, tell me everything you see there.
I see x plus 3.
What's this one?
X squared.
Mm-hmm. How many x?
2x.
Total. How many x?
5x.
5x.
And 6.
There you go. Very good. Is that 8? Is that anything close to that?
No.
Okay. Not even close. What were you thinking?
I was thinking.
Okay, so when I say x plus 2, x plus 3, you mean this. And you were thinking what?
I got confused.
What did you get confused about?
The x, because I thought these in the corner were
2 fours?
2 fours.
Okay, so when you were visualizing, you saw x plus 2, x plus 4. Or you counted that.
Yeah, in my mind.
Okay.
That's actually
so
wrong.
let's try another one. That's alright. Lets us know what we need to work on and what to do. Right? Alright, you're never wrong. You're just getting more information about what we're doing. That's why we're having a little test here to see what to do and where we need to go and what we can, right? Okay, so I know we need to practice building tens. I know we need to practice multiplication, and we need more practice on visualizing some algebra. No big deal. So, how about this? what if I said x plus 2 times x plus 2, and I take this away?
I can't hold on to
Think about it.
I'm watching a nap.
X plus 2 times x plus 2.
X plus 2.
Mm-hmm.
X plus 2 is 8. No, it's 4.
Mm-hmm. Start with the big ones.
X squared.
Mm-hmm.
4x
Mm-hmm.
and 4.
There you go. Okay, so we have one warm-up. Now he's there. All right, so let's see what happens when I say x plus 3 times x plus 4. Oh, look, can you see that sign right there? Brain is being taxed. It's early in the morning, but still. That's usually a defense mechanism of the brain. Alright, stop. Sit quietly. You, practice. Practice. Just like that, just like that. Just don't have to turn around or anything. Just sit there and practice. What an excellent job of practicing you're doing, oh my gosh. Alright, leave him alone. You. X plus 3 and x plus 4. You want to use blocks instead?
No, X squared.
Mm-hmm. This is total mastery right here, so don't feel bad if you don't get it. X plus 3 times x plus 4. 6-year-old boy. Notice there's no tears, no fear. We're just laughing about it. We're having fun, right?
Yeah. X plus 3.
Yeah, and x plus 4. Let's do it with blocks real fast.
X squared.
Mm-hmm.
4x.
Mm-hmm. What about the 3x?
Oh yeah.
So you gotta count all of it.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x.
Mm-hmm. And what's gonna fit here?
12.
Very good. Very, very good. Now,
I
had he had symbols and blocks to work with, he would have got it instantly.
I was looking at these and then counting in my head
Very good.
how 3 of them are, because I was imagining
And you're right, they would fit right there.
3 of these there, because
Yep, you need
3, 6, 9.
What?
I mean,
You're right, you can go that way, but you have 4s.
12.
Yes, very good. Now look, put them here. You can say 3, 6, 9, or 4, 8, 12. Right? 4, 8, 12, but you could also count them 3, 6, 9, 12. Right? Okay, I think you're doing a fine job. Alright, you who is practicing so well, come back here and let's do some more math. Okay, so let's do some... What is... And I have you on video doing these, but you're cold practice. We haven't done anything for like a week or 2. What's 6 plus 6? How much is that?
6 plus 6. Count.
Count, sure. Count, use this.
I'm going to use freeze, okay?
Just use that. Use the 10 bar. Okay, he's carefully measuring. Look at that. Love it. Just put it here, like this. Alright, now, 10 and 2 more. How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay?
Yes, great. 10 and 2 more is the same thing as 12.
Yeah.
Which is the same thing as 2 6s, which is the same thing as 3 4s. See it? Okay, test time is about over. We're going to start just playing blocks. Okay. Oh wait, could we make 12 with some 3s?
Yes.
How many 3s would we need to make 12? Excellent. He's an acrobat. How many 3s would we need to make 12?
3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 12.
Are you thinking? Are you giving me an answer?
4.
Very good.
4 was it?
Alright, so which is the answer to 12 divided by 3, right? But we'll move that around later on when he sees the symbols. Alright, and see again, when he sees the symbols, they'll make sense. That what we're saying is 12 divided by 3. It's not magic, it's not just some symbols, it's understanding what's going on. That what we're doing is counting how many 3's are in 12. So if I had a dozen eggs, and I had 4 students waiting for their eggs, each student would get 3. Right?
And then there wouldn't be enough for the last student.
Okay, yes there would. Alright, you guys are doing a fine job. Let's play math. Let's do some playful math, where we're just playing and building stuff. Right?
Yeah.
Test time is over, that's more fun than, right? Okay, what do you say at the end?
Crewton Ramone down to my side home. That wasn't fair at all.
Oh, that was totally fair.
No, that wasn't fair.
Oh, it's great. The younger kid beat the older kid. Oh.
That wasn't fair at all.
Okay. Yeah, he had a little help from Dad.
Okay, now where?
Oh, now wait a minute. We're building 10s.
Where is the 9?
The 9 is over. Here's the 9. Where's your 9? You're right. You don't need a 9 because you already have 5 and 5. You can't repeat it if you have the 10 in there. So we have to get this out.
Okay,
Then we can put a 9 in, a 5 and a 5. Let's re-race.
Now we have to do the whole thing.
Okay, let's re-race. You want to re-race?
No, I
You don't want to re-race because you won the last one. You do not want to try another one.
Yep, I do not want to try. You won the last one.
You want to race your dad?
Oh, yes. Way. Yes.
No?
Yes.
Okay. I'll tell you what. I'll give you a head start. All right? Okay, so a couple of things.
Now I can see my box.
Yeah, like I said, keep it fun. We're just playing. We're building 10s. We can do algebra, but it's also important to be able to do 10s. It's also important to be able to count by numbers. Yes, I'll use yours. And we'll put them in order.
Good.
Oh, and we're going to make a mess. It's going to take longer. It's fine.
It's going to be harder for Dad.
It's going to be harder for me, but it'll be alright. Okay? Okay, so again, the idea, my friends, who are so scared to use blocks to teach their kids math, is just play. Just fool around. Make games of it, right? Have contests. Use their healthy and natural competitive nature, right? Which should be cultivated, not denied.
Brother.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now I cannot hold the camera and race at the same time.
So
I'll just, I don't know if you want to try and be our cameraman?
No.
Okay, then I'll tell you what, I'll tell you what.
Try.
Okay, you're going to try? Okay, so just hold it like this and this,
Wait.
and we're going to race. Hold that side and hold that side. Just so you know what I mean. You can't put your hands in front of the camera, and you can't touch the button on top, otherwise it'll stop. Okay, ready? Okay, there we go. I'll let you have this one even.
Daddy, you almost out of battery, you know, you almost out.
Yes, I know. Don't worry, we have a charger, and I got an extra battery, once again, thanks to the generous donations.
This one is closer than you.
Alright, go, just go. Ready? I told you, give you a head start. Go, start building 10s.
Hey!
You're supposed to be filming him. Oh, fine job. Okay. Don't be afraid to move the camera around. Look at his face. Can you move it up to see his face? Look at his concentration on his face.
7.
Look at him, he looks like he's suffering. Oh, oh, don't worry, I'm giving you a head start. Movie the mouth cow's getting involved.
Hey, no, what's going on? Hey, looks like it's a fun time over here. Let's play some math.
We'll race it, okay?
Okay. Ready? You better get going. Get your game on, buddy.
Yeah.
Because here I come. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic.
You know I like spring games.
I'm coming along. Here I am.
Go, Dad.
Okay. Go, Dad.
Don't let... I just want to beat you, okay? There's that one. Actually,
Keep going, keep going.
Oh, okay,
Now you need blocks out of here.
No, I'm confused.
Okay.
Okay.
The 4-year-old cameraman, I think you did fine.
Yep, I did. I was a cameraman. Okay. I'm a little good cameraman.
You're a little good cameraman.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a little
What's missing? Stop.
9 and
What's
1.
missing? Now you got 9 and 1. You got 9 and 1 twice. You have 8 and 2 twice. You have 7 and 3 twice. You have 6 and 4 twice. You have 5 and 5. Right? I see them all over there. What's missing from over here? This is a good game. What's missing? What is not there twice? Let's count it and find out. 5, 4, 3, 1. What's missing? Yep.
Okay, I want to hold the camera, so.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm going to put the 2 over there where it belongs.
Since you won the last one, my brother gets to film us.
What? Your brother gets to... What, you get to film me and him, is what you're trying to say.
Because you are both the fastest racers.
Oh, don't worry. I think you can actually go faster. You could have beat your brother, except he had help from Dad.
Yeah.
You guys didn't get to see the beginning of the race.
Anyway,
but all we're doing is having fun.
Oh no, in the next one you're going
so, can you say CrewtonRamone'sHouseOfMath.com?
CrewtonRamone'sHouseOfMath.com. One more.
Okay.
Ramone'sHouseOfMath.com.
Yeah, well, either you guys were early or I was late with the button. Anyway, so what are we doing? We're doing some factoring. Very simple factoring. All we did was we took x squared, 6x, and 8. Actually, we started off with x squared, 6x, and 9, which actually turned out to be easier. And then this little boy made it like this, right? Tell me the factors. Can you show me the factors?
Okay. X plus 4 and x plus 2.
Okay, so there's that right there. Okay, show me your factors.
X plus 4 that way. And x plus 2 this way.
Okay, which do you count first always? Oh yeah, okay, if you're counting the whole thing, you always count the big red one first. But which way do you count first? You count across, and then you count up, right?
And that's using...
Okay, good. Put it back. Okay, so all we're doing is factoring rectangles, right? We use the first 3 concepts: mathematics, study numbers. All you do with numbers is count. Highest number you count to is 9. We only count stuff the same. We use rectangles to make it easy to count. And basically what we're doing here, as you're going to see in a second, is just bringing home multiplication and add-ins. Okay, so let's do another one.
5, 6.
Okay, so
that way.
alright, so we just changed the problem. And they're trying to figure out what they need to build it. So we changed it to x squared, 7x, and 12. So he counted them out and figured out that he had only 6x, so he added another x. And over here, what do you got going on? How many x do you have?
7.
Count them, then show me 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count it again just in case.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many does it say you need?
Nope, it says 7.
Well, then you better get 7. X.
So we need to get one more.
Okay, good. Good.
I'm doing it.
Alright, he's done already. He's put it together, so we're going to break it up.
I need another one.
Hey, we're going to let him do it.
Can I get another one?
Okay, you can have another one. It says 7. You can only have 7.
So I need...
So you have 7. How many can fit in there? How many have to fit in there?
12.
12. So you have to make it so the 12 will fit in there. You're going to use 4s?
1.
Okay, you forgot 1 that fits in there. Go, do it. Oh, okay. So now you fit 5. Very good. And then you fit another one in there, and you fit, how many do you fit?
1,
Look how much math we're learning here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's look at this with a bunch of different
It
ways.
doesn't
It's
say
a
10.
4, it's a 4 and a 1, and a 4 and a 1 twice. We've got an 8 and 2 more. All kinds of math going on in the corner there.
That says
That says,
and that.
but this says 12 and you only have 10.
Yeah.
So, again, not wrong, just getting more information. So, move it around, see what happens. Oh, look at that. So you move that there. Now what will fit? Got those out of there. See, it's fun. Okay, so what do we have? How many fit in the corner?
I want to count by 4s.
Count them. Count them by 4s, count them by 3s, I don't
4, 8, 12.
care. Excellent.
12!
Yes! Very good. Okay, so now I need to be able to count. Let's build yours real quick. I need to be able to count the sides. What are the sides? You both use 4s this time, and you both build it the same this time.
X plus 3 and X plus 4.
X plus 3 and X plus 4. It's hard to do the camera and do the math and count at the same time. Okay, so X plus 3 this way and X plus 4 that way. Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that hard?
No. No.
No. Can we build? Okay, so wait. Now I gotta put this here.
Yeah.
X plus 3 across, X plus 4 up. Let's just woohoo! Look and see. Right?
Woohoo!
Easy. Okay, so let's fool around some more with some more X, 7X. What if I told you not 12? I told you I only want, well, we already know what happens if we put 10. What if I told you I only wanted 6? And so, same amount of X, but I changed the units. Alright, so now we're saying, build whatever you want. I have 8X. Tell me what will work.
I can't be on
I have 8X, and you can put in anything you want in the corner. But you can only use 8X, so tell me what you can put there.
Can I put 5?
You can put 5. What could you put there, though? Oh, you're going to use a bunch of 2s? Sure, put a bunch of 2s in there.
I'm going to put
over here, he's putting some 4s. So you're making a square out of it.
And create little creative.
Cool. So we're just discovering and playing. Alright. And you're putting 2s in. So wait a minute, how many do you have in your corner?
4, 8, 12, 16.
16. And you see, if I had just single units, what a pain it would be to build that. It would take forever to fit them in there.
Yeah.
And it would take a long time to count them. And also, if you're a little kid, this is not as much fun if you don't know how to skip count. So it's good to be able to start, you can teach skip counting with this, but it certainly helps if you have the ability to count by 4s or 3s. Okay, so look how many you put in. How many do you have?
2.
Count by 2s.
2.
Uh-huh.
I just want to count by 3.
You want to count by 3s?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
3, 6, 9, 12.
But you can't count the 2s as 3s if they're not. This is a 3. That's only a 2.
2.
Uh-huh. 4.
4, 8,
2. That's why you wanted to count by 3s, because you don't know how to count by 2s quite yet. Okay.
2, 4,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we can count it by 3s too. We have to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Or we can count it by 6s. 6, 12. We can do all kinds of things.
We can also put the guy there and the car there to look at it.
Yeah, just playing. Right? Can you come up with something different? He came up with 2 by 6. You came up with 4 by 4. Can you come up with something different? Play with it and see.
I don't like.
You're being silly. Alright, so you figured out that how many would fit in the corner there if you use threes?
3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
15, which is the same thing as 5, 10, 15. You could put 3 5s there, right? And then over here, with a little prodding from me and his brother, if we put 1 on the side, how many fits there?
7.
Hey, you. He's making it perfect. Right? How many would fit in there? Or how many does fit in there? How many did you manage to stick in there? 7. So you have x squared, 8x, and 7. So we tried all kinds of things. We had 7, and we had 15, and we had 16, and what else did we have? We had 12, right? 2 6s. See how much math we can learn? And we're just 1. We still have 8x there, right? 1 and 7. Over here I have 5 and 3, but it's still 8x, right?
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm.
Okay. Had enough?
Mhm.
Okay, let's call it a day. It's time for naps anyway. So say Crewton Ramone's.
Good on houseMath.com. One more.
Not enthusiastic about going to nap time. You want to eat? Okay, let's eat some food and then have naps.
Dad, look, watch this.
Let's see.